Hello, welcome to this Corporation Bank data mining dashboards. Basically, we received some two Excel sheets. One is that POC, what we meant is proof of concept of Corporation Bank advances as on 15th April. And there is another Excel sheet which was one is advances, another is the deposits, I think. This is the actual live data given as it is, except that this is in the form of a CSV file. We just made it a CSV file. And this file we have uploaded to our application, which consists of two different models. One is our Plumware. This is our basic framework which uses our ERP also, and the base framework is also inside this. So I'm just trying to see the advances data which we have pumped in, and you will notice it has about 141 pages. That is only as on 15th we took 141 pages into maybe around 20 if you take around 2800 records. And similarly the other one was deposits, which you will notice about maybe around little less than around the same amount of data is there. So if you see the records, basically it has the branch code name and the zone code name and the circle code and some variable data appearing. So let us see how this data can be analytically viewed. And now you have what is called, we call it as a choose report, in which I would like to know maybe circle wise SB, I think it is savings bank account, I don't know, I assume so, and maybe you wanted it in crores, you have in crores. So within the circle you have zones, so you are asking the application to give me circle wise the zones and the value, and maybe within that you want the branch code also to appear, and you will notice also the speed of the application. It has pretty fast developed this 9001, HO Mangalore, ZO Ahmedabad, and ZO Bhopal, under that whatever are there. Now the same thing we would like to see it in the form of a chart or a drill down graphics. If you remember, first we said give me the circle wise. So we gave it circle wise to the application. So as we click on any of them, okay, that is different circles, it's giving me the zonal distribution of that. So I'm going to this Mumbai zone and trying to see all the branches in that. You can see the different branches, or maybe the Pune zone I went, and you will see the different things. So I'm going to another branch, another circle where it is Coimbatore and Southern Circle, I think. So as you click, you are getting the Coimbatore, ZO Coimbatore, ZO Kerala, things of that nature. Now maybe that we would like to have more and more fields. You can also have more and more fields coming up as you can see some of them we have taken it in crores, some of them we have taken it in, so maybe we can all take them in crores as well. Okay, so you will see the report getting formed, and this report you can also derive the and bring back in the form of an Excel here. The same data I would like to see it in the form of maybe I will say a different type of chart. The earlier charts what we were shown were of from the Google Analytics, okay, which are reporting this. The same thing I would like to see in the Fusion charts, and you will see the Fusion charts will be throwing out the respective charts. Maybe let me just take it circle wise. I'm taking the Fusion charts. So you will see different circle there, figures as a bar or a column, or a pie, or maybe a line as we go. The same thing, maybe I wish to have it on a zonal level. I can have the same fusion chart loading up different. You will notice that there are much more zones than the circles we have. As you place them, you will see the figures appearing, and maybe in some cases the line may not make any sense. Perhaps the biggest being your ZO Delhi is doing topmost, and ZO Mumbai, and the third one is ZO Bangalore, obviously. So this is the charts, and in a similar way that you will notice here what exactly is happening is you are just selecting the name, the order in which you wanted it. Suppose I just want circle wise, zone name wise, branch wise, the figures, and I will say please give me the the slice and dice chart of all the three combinations. You will see circle wise, zone wise, and of course the biggest being I don't know, it is these are all the branches. Maybe some branch names or number is not there or something like that. Okay. Now this is our choose report, and this is on maybe on deposits we have seen, and similarly on advances, the entire data is there, and we are going to the the choose report, and here also exactly roughly the same model you can adopt and get your required reports done. Okay, so let's get into another aspect called the Plum Excel reports. To have these reports, you must have a fairly big framework. This is on the lighter version, where you can simply upload the Excel and it gives you the report pretty fast. So here are our reports. So the moment I click there, you have noticed that you have actually formed different reports. Here micro advance you can see, and maybe the second one total MSM ME advance, maybe the agree, that is circle wise I am seeing, because you have given me a lot of different data. Okay, so obviously for each one of them it has prepared the possible chart that is available. So here it is just a click and see type of chart. You don't have to choose or select any of them. And similarly you can see here you have taken micro advances versus this, and versus various combinations. Okay, so here you can also get different charts as applicable. Okay, so maybe here in a similar way. Now it also gave a lot of other reports. You will notice these are all formed automatically but with various combinations. You can see branch wise, zone wise, branch wise, circle wise, zone wise, as on, zone wise, branch wise. That means whatever the combination of these things we have, as on date, this branch code, zone code, with all the possible combinations, it has drawn the diagram. The reports are available to you. So maybe you want to have ZO wise the entire analysis. You have ZO wise or branch wise. Now you also have a summary list. This is just a plain list, and these grouping reports are something very interesting. Suppose I want to see grouping total advances. Okay, so you can see my total advances as on, and these are different branch code wise, and these are circle wise. So I'm seeing just the advances. Maybe I want to see the agricultural advances in different possible ways. You can see all the different agricultural. Maybe I have given more agriculture in 9003, perhaps 9002 we have given more. So, and here also you have the grouping reports, which will throw in all possible groups. Actually here we have 4 groups, so it's only showing 4 of them. And here also you have the same benefit of the so-called choose reports, you can take maybe circle code wise, then zone code wise, then all the possible things. And you can also have a drill down chart where you have circle and then your zone and then your branch. And so basically you simply upload the entire Excel. You can draw data in various forms. Maybe this need to be subsequently improved to access rights, and both the reports, that is the Excel reports and our Plumbware reports, are 100% compatible to iPad. Okay, and even if the phone is small, maybe to the extent of little inconvenience you face, but they can be viewed in the charts in the mobiles as well. So let me just reiterate once again. Basically we have the Excels given by Corporation Bank, then we uploaded those Excels into a raw data form. From the raw data form we have automatically generated. These reports are not written by us, for your information. The machine has written the reports itself with whatever the visualization it can perceive. And then of course you have the graphs and charts and all those possible things that are possible. And similarly the second one is the Excel, where we have uploaded the Excel, and as we uploaded the Excel, it immediately drew the all possible combinations. So let me just take on deposits. So under deposits you have only this type of zone wise deposits, and you have group wise savings bank, I don't know what it is, and bank CA. Okay, these are now here you will notice there are much more combinations, that is branch wise, branch name wise, zone wise name, and roughly 6 combinations are given. So the application has fairly understood what you are trying to put and giving all the possible combinations instantly. Okay, this could be used just to derive it. Of course we can also have the groupings, could be date to date basis, year to year basis, month to month. It all depends on how we create the mined data. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to meet you soon. Thank you. This is Shastri from PlumSoft. Thank you very much.